All right, we are set for another repair. This is another system. This is another HP laptop. Going by the complaint from the clients, he said system is not just coming on. It's not charging. Nothing is happening. That is dead. So well, said well, thank God is here, and then we are going to be troubleshooting it together and see what the problem is. We will get it opened up and then start troubleshooting immediately. Well, the screws have been loosened. We have loosened all the screws as we can see them here. So we will just lift it up and then go ahead with our troubleshooting. Now, first thing first, let us check the charging ports. Check the charging ports. Does it have a continuity with the ground? Check. There's a black cable here. Let's see if it has a continuity. Let's turn this to diode mode. Diode mode. Turn this to diode mode. Now let's check. Does it have continuity with the ground? Yes, as you can hear the sound, that means the ground is connected. Now let us check the ports from the mouth here, if it has a connection. Does it have a connection with the positive terminal? I'm not sure. All right, so there's nothing wrong with the cable from here, the cable that connects the charging port to the main board. So nothing is wrong. Now let us connect a power pack to it and check if the charging port has some voltage drop on the board. Let's check the DC volts on the board. Let's connect this to ground, to any part of it. Now I can't see any voltage, nothing to show. All right, let me remove the charging port connector. Now let's check it directly and see if there's any voltage drop. No voltage drop. Check the screen. No voltage drop. So something is wrong with the ports. Something is wrong with the ports. So we'll go ahead and troubleshoot that. Let us remove the charging port quickly. Let's see if we can troubleshoot the charging port. All right, let us check. All right, wow, as if you can check the inside of the charging ports, there is a challenge inside. As we can see it, there's a challenge, so that needs to be fixed. The best thing is to change the ports, but I think it can be rectified. Let's just quickly see if we can get that rectified, and then we will. Okay. All right, so let's check it again. We're going to connect the ports back to the board. All right, this is connected. All right, so we're going to test it now. I haven't inserted the ports back to the board. So let's check if it will still give us a good value. Now, as you can see, it is working. It is working, and the screen comes on. So now that means the problem of this system is a charging port issue. It's not anything serious, and then this already fixed. I'm sure the client will be very happy. Now this is already resolved, but it's just that the screen has some lines which I'm not sure if probably I guess that should have been there before now. So if you are new to our channel, and if this video has been impactful, if it has been helpful to you, please we like for you to subscribe to our channel, give us a like and comments. And if you are not new, do the same, as you give us some likes and comments, so we will do well to I'll respond to all of your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.